So we're going to now put some anorak fasteners into some denim. When you buy your packet looks like that, and on the back of it you will see that the tools inside of it. We're going to discard anything to do with hammering, and all we're going to do is take out the bits down the side here that will fit into the Vario Creative tool, which are, it's like Blue Peter, here's some I made earlier. So there we are, they're what are inside of the packets in these two pockets there. So we are now going to just discard the packet for a minute and set up our pieces. So if we follow the back of the packet, we've got a plastic cup, we have got a metal piece there, which is those bits down there, and they correlate with a top on here and a middle for one side of the press fastener. Then we're going to follow the next tool down, which is, it's actually got a concaved bit in the middle, which is this tool on here, and it's so that the next part of the packet fastener fits into it. So we're going to put that one on there, like so, and then the plastic bung that sits on the bottom, and that correlates with that part and that part of the fastener. So we've got 4 parts to make a 2-part press fastener. What we're going to do now is we're going to make our hole in the fabric with our cutting tools, and we've got those are 3.5 to 4 mil, and those are 2.5 to 3 mil cutters. They're all written on, so you can see, if you've got very good eyesight, you can see the numbers on the inside there. They always go in writing side down into the machine. So that's what we're going to do. And you need the smallest hole that you can possibly get away with. So in this case, we're going to have a 2.5 millimeter hole for this press fastener. So I shall just find the one that I need. It's a big one. So there's the 2.5 millimeter. We have our piece of denim. I'm going to fold it over, double it over, because they are quite strong fasteners. And we're going to make a hole. So there's our first hole. As easy as that. Very, very easy. We're going to make a second hole.
Where are you based? I saw that sign first.
2 holes.
And I follow you on.
Then what we're going to do is change the tools across.
We did, so we're now based in Morris Park.
And we're going to follow the packet. So we're going to put the cup will sit in the top.
Just open normal times? Or are you only open?
So we're only opening 7.
And the next tool down fits in the bottom. We are now going to make sure that we have, I'll just line this back up again. We're then going to just make certain.
Yeah, just to double check.
I know, I'm not that far away, so I thought, all right.
That we have our cap goes in the top of what we're trying to go into. And we have the cap. So it goes that way around on there. We are then going to situate this so that we've got the whole bit there inside the prong.
It does.
And we're going to lower it down.
No, it's fine.
And give it a squeeze. We might have to peel the tool off the bottom and then take those two. So that's that one fixed on there. Then we're going to remove these tools and swap the tools for the next two. This time we need to make sure again that we have this the right way around. So we want the bottom of the press fastener on there, and we want it on the same side as the shiny top. Goes in there, and then we put that part on the top. And we are going to put this upside down this time in the machine. It's just the way I put the tools in. So the concave tool goes in the bottom and you cut that bit and line it up in there. And then we just lower it, give it a squeeze, lift it, take it out. And there we have got our press fastener done. And we can, very easy.